Alright, it's going.
It's going?
Yep, it's going.
Alright.
All you have to do is just look through that lens and...
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
On your marks. Set. Go!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, first obstacle! Big gay Jack!
Oh!
Big gay Jack! I'm gonna have a regular American smoke they trade for a Marlboro from Vietnam.
I'll smoke one of your Marlboros from Vietnam.
Whoa!
Looking for a cigarette, not a donation.
Well, I'm offering to help you get rid of your cigarette.
I love an
if you
American
don't like.
But I could offer an exchange.
Oh! It's a tie!
Hi! Oh my goodness!
It is a tie!
What the fuck?
And last place.
That's me. Do that again. You ready?
Alright, safety, here you go. That was a total tie right there. Way to go, guys. That was awesome.
No, I'm good.
But I smoked enough of them.
I've had enough near-death experiences for one night.
Team old guy, whoop whoop.
Dude, I was microdots from drawing blood tonight. Two occasions within a millisecond.
Yo, if everyone wants a better viewing area, you see where that person is up there with the lighter? That is a fucking dope viewing area because this shit is crazy fun. Don't let the kids enjoy the playground by themselves. We need to fucking take this shit back, I say.
Alright, you going for another competition?
One more.
Alright.
Hold on. Hey, swing on the inside swing.
What inside swings?
Whatever, inside swing, Jack.
I don't think I'd get stuck in one of these. Hell no, or maybe on top of one. Here we go.
I'm an obstacle now. Actually, that's probably not a good idea.
I think it's a great idea, Bob.
ASG! Whoop whoop! Whatever. Alright, ready?
Guardrail, Katie, come play on the fucking boom boom. Boom boom.
The boom boom!
Boom boom.
Oh.
The big gay boom boom.
If you high-five my foot and don't pull me down, you get that.
Still always get a response from that. The big gay whatever.
If I kick you on the face, I get it.
Alright guys, we ready?
Alright, you ready?
Oh yeah, this slide is totally off. You're shorter than 5 foot. You are not.
You're going reverse.
Seriously not.
Through and take a right.
Please.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, the swing has a disadvantage.
Well done. Just to add to the chaos.
Let's lay down right here. It'll be an obstacle. We're the new obstacle. Don't hit me, please.
Hey, SG, here, for 1 second, hold me.
Right when you go to the gate.
Ooh, yeah.
Look out.